Now you're third.
Third?
Yeah.
Who's first and second?
My mom's is first. She took care of me my whole life. She always comes before you. I'm sorry. I hope you realize that.
Okay, so your career second?
Nah, you come before me.
Then who the hell comes before me?
My barber.
Your barber. How the fuck does your barber come before me on your list of priorities?
Well, you like the way I look, right? You like how confident I am, right? You like how happy I am, right? I get all that from him.
So your barber makes you happy and I don't?
Honestly, yeah. You just stress me out.
How do I stress you out?
Bend emotions, got you going deep. And you should be talking honestly. Can't do change but honestly. Kumbulu tell you would marry me and have many kids. After we've chased our dream, that was a deal. But see, I know a thing about you. You smooth with your tongue, you never punch one. Now let me eat that pussy like a pasta. Smoke you like a rasta. Yeah. And emotions got you ghosting. And you should be talking honestly. Time to change but honestly. Kumbulu tell you would marry me and have many kids. After we chase our dreams, that was the sleep. But see, I know a thing about you. You smooth with the charm, you never punch one. Now let me eat that pussy like a pasta. Smoke you like a rasta. Like a rasta. Bet you know ngatanda, bet you know ngafela. But I'll never beg ya, cause I am the best. I know my way, yes you might be my girl, but you're not my word. Oh my woman, I don't believe in suffering, especially when it comes to human beings. The creatures I see, especially women. Bitches got me lapsy, bitches got me wanna see my heart out on the street. Not the same but honesty. You enter so but you expecting royalties treatment. You know the queen love, I'm sorry but you're not my queen girl. You don't have a place in my kingdom. That's because you always stressing me out. Stressing me out. Stressing me out. Yeah.
You still love me.
If you had a sister and a dog, I'd choose the dog.
Wait. I am a child. Yours.
I don't recall that we ever had...
You were drunk.
I've actually never been that drunk.
Wait. There is something I want to say to you. Something I wanted to say from the moment we first met.
Go on then.
I love you.
As do I. Always have. Always will.